Ngiyabuza wemadoda ngiyabuza niyophelela mina.
Hayini ma-Afrika ndaqanda, ha-ana mzonsundu ndakhuza. Sekutheni ngoku sadlungula endaweni yokukhusela, sekutheni ngoku sabulalana soda. Kanti isono sethu siphi thina besifazana, sixeleleni kaloku amadoda amahle, nokuba yintoni na esayenza kuni. Nathi asizenzanga ukuba ngabesifazane, injongo ibikwandisa ilizwe. Isono sethu siyintoni kuni kodwa kudala, sesibulawa oku kwezinambuzane. I mean, you guys ban and kill Africans because they are foreigners. What about the rapists and the murderers? Hayi ndiyabuza, yet you all are be called men. Yazi, today morning I went down on my knees with worship song playing on my head the moment I tried to add a word but just couldn't. Oh God, Lord, the people who are supposed to take care of us are the ones who are hating us, raping and killing us. Father, may you please come back and heal our land. You for the Redeemer.
Isitha sothanda inhliziyo ngesikhathi umbuke edikizo kokugcina ecela uxolo isuke isishone eblanhliziyeni nothando kukude ukuxwayisa ngesihoko sadla somthetho wena uthula uthini phela ayisizi nalembhikisho sicela kubuya isigwebo sentaba i16 days of activism ihlala igqugquzela iminyaka yonke kumanzi ethelwe emhlane edada namanje kuqhuma isililo ngabesifazane bebulawa kwezinambuzane valani lesihlaba sibe moya moya.
Yezinyembeze nganga zenganisa abantu ngabe lesulanga.